In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex.com price alerts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set an alert so you never miss a key move, even when you're away from your screen. Start by opening the Forex.com platform. If you're using a browser, log in on WebTrader. Once you're in, head straight to your watch list. This is where you keep the markets you follow most closely, and it's the easiest place to set alerts on instruments you already track. Find the market you want to monitor, then click the drop-down beside the market name. This small menu is where the alert tools live. Choose the option to add a new price alert and then click Set Price Alert. You'll see a prompt asking for the target price level where you want to be alerted. Type in the exact price that matters to your strategy, whether that's a breakout above a recent high or a pullback to support. If the platform shows bid, ask, or mid prices, be mindful of which one your alert will reference, since spreads can nudge the trigger by a fraction. After entering your price, save your alert. You may see an extra confirmation. Go ahead and confirm and save the alert. That's it. The alert is now active. The platform will monitor the market price for you in the background, so you don't need to keep that chart open. If your account settings allow it, alerts can show up as in-platform pop-ups, emails, or push notifications. Just remember that the exact delivery method depends on your current notification preferences. A few tips to make alerts work smarter for you. Choose levels with intention. Set an alert a little before a key level if you want time to react, or exactly at the level if you want precise confirmation. Consider whether you're looking for price crossing above, crossing below, or simply touching the level. Many alert tools recognize the difference. If there's an option to add a note or label, use it to remind yourself why the alert exists, such as breakout watch or trendline retest. And to avoid clutter, review old or triggered alerts periodically and clean them up so the most relevant ones stand out. From here, you're hands off. When the price hits your level, you'll get a notification. Open the platform, review the chart, and decide your next move with a clear head, knowing you didn't have to stare at the screen to catch the moment. That's the power of price alerts on Forex.com.